SABIC's LEXAN polycarbonate sheet products are directly extruded from LEXAN resin, which is a polycarbonate material and offers significant advantages over many other glazing materials in terms of design freedom, lightweight, fire performance, UV protection, and thermal insulation. LEXAN polycarbonate sheet combines high impact resistance with optical clarity, thus providing superior safety and security against vandalism and intrusion. SABIC's functional forms business has been working to bring its portfolio of leading-edge materials to bear in glazing applications for over 40 years. Virtually unbreakable, high optical quality, solid LEXAN polycarbonate sheet products with highly specialized properties are often a top choice for answering the specific needs and providing protection to your most demanding applications. LEXAN polycarbonate sheet, virtually unbreakable and impact resistant.